Yes, we're back in the markets. I just can't get enough of the smells. Look, oh, dried squid. Dried fish, fish paste, curry. All the goodness you want to smell early in the morning. Woo! On the hunt for some permanent bike mittens. I'll show you when I get them, because you're probably thinking, what the hell is he talking about? This is what I'm talking about. Just so you can also wear your gloves and then slide them straight in. They just tie onto the handlebars, because it's 8 degrees and it's going to be colder up in the mountains. In English in here, I can tell you right now. Oh, here, see, there's so many gloves. There's gloves. Hello. How much? I'm stopping the bike. Well, 70,000, which isn't even. It's like $4. Absolute bargain, and that was very quick shopping, which is what we like. Amazing. Yeah, black ones. Black ones, yeah, black ones. Yeah. Happy.
Hot. Yêu.
Oh, come on.
Cảm ơn.
Woo! Thank you. Can be it. Oh, I got these ducks the other day. See? Look. Yum. $10 for a whole duck. Oh, just wait. I just filmed those ducks because I spoke to Dad the other day and he bought one in a place called Box Hill in Melbourne, and it cost him $50 for a whole duck. I can buy that whole duck there for $10. Oh, might get some strawberries. Yeah, these ducks here. Oh, that's pig. Oh, they got pig and they got duck. Woo! The old flash Peugeot. It is too. The old Peugeot. It's all happening. It's all happening in Cao Bằng. How do you say? See, I say Cao Bằng, but then other people have been saying no. You say Cao Bằng. Like a strip of barbers just here, all in one line. There must be a dozen barbers, and they're all side by side. All right, I can count about 8 to 10 barbers, and they're all in this one line. Such a cool setup. Like, oh mate, there. Instead of, hey, hello. If there's you and 6 mates, or you and 4 mates, or like me, I don't have any mates, you don't have to wait. You all jump in. But here's the barber here. Yeah, see, he always waves. he always waves, because I walk up from here, which I will come. Just wait. I walk up this strip here, and then it's to there. Look, you can have a bong. You can have a billy while you get a haircut. Woo! Good. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Very good. Boom. What a legend. How quick was that? I was 50 for a quick trim, and it just, it feels so good. All right, what to do? Oh, they got these They've got their little ear things. 30,
Okay.
60, 100. Look at that.
100.
4 pairs of Adidas, good quality short socks. The shopping
Yay.
is going smoothly. We've got knives. I don't know what else I need. Let's not just buy shit, yeah? Not that it really matters. Power tools, generators, sanders, air compressors, drills, you know, all that good stuff. That kid on that bike was, oh, she's not open. The kid on that bike, I reckon he was 8 years old. Whoop. She's got her little prong. Lexo Fit. It's hard to go back to these buckle ones. I'll give her 50. I'll give you 50. Just for a spare, $2.50. Bargain. Which is, come on in for a look. Superior vodka. Thing to take on the road. You know, it's going to be that cold. Have a, you know, a couple of nips here and there. It says superior, but how superior is it, is the question. $12.50 for a whole bottle. Elite, Deluxe, Superior. Which one is it? It's like, is it a deluxe or $10? Eight. Stop it. Coffee. Look at that. $10 for half a kilo. Some spare. Crackers without sugar in them. We'll try them. I mean, I can't read it. I don't understand it, but we'll give them a whirl. Oh, look at this puppy. It's the original. Look. Hey, that looks wild. Big cans, 1 litre. Yeah, 1 litre cans. They get bigger, and then they get. $0.60 a can. That's what I'm talking about. Pepper. One big bag. We've got beer, we've got crackers, we've got noodles, we've got the coffee, we've got tomatoes. Now we'll go and get a banh mi. We get some eggs. I've just been boiling eggs in my kettle. And then obviously I clean it out. Over and get a fresh banh mi. Iron. Hey, on the push bikes going faster than the motorbikes. Oh, setting up. Well, actually, they might be packing up, so that's just me making stuff up now. They're packing up. But anyway, they might shut the whole street down. They might not. I hope you have a good year. Look at the roast chicken with extra. Did I tell you the story? Not so much it doesn't happen here, but in Saigon and Hanoi, because the police come by so often and you have to pack up, well then these just stack on top of each other and they're so light, and that's sort of how that come about. Just for a quick explanation, that is. I mean, there's more to the story, but you get my drift, yeah. Okay, it's been a cool morning. Oh, it's hot. Look, 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 look. Absolute goodness. Back at Cheese House. Let's go up to the condo. Over and out. Catch you later.